Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make time remap smooth in Capcut. First, open your project and select the video clip you wish to modify. Navigate to the speed option in the editing toolbar. Here, you will find various controls to adjust your clip's playback speed. We'll focus on the curve option for precise, smooth transitions. This initial step is crucial for setting up your dynamic speed changes. To achieve truly smooth time remapping, keyframes are your best friend. Tap on the curve option and then select Custom. You can add up to 8 keyframes along your clip's timeline. Each keyframe allows you to set a specific speed for that moment. Drag the curve handles between keyframes to create gentle, flowing speed ramps, ensuring your video transitions seamlessly. For an even more polished and ultra-smooth effect, enable Capcut's optical flow feature. After setting your keyframes and adjusting the speed curve, locate the Make It Smoother option. Choose Optical Flow from the available selections. This advanced technology intelligently generates new frames between your existing ones, filling in gaps and eliminating any choppiness, making your slow motion or fast motion look incredibly fluid. To ensure your time remapping looks professional, remember a few key tips. First, avoid making too many drastic speed changes within a very short duration. This can lead to a jarring effect. Always preview your edited clip multiple times to catch any visual glitches or unwanted artifacts. Finally, when exporting, select a high resolution and high bitrate setting for the best possible playback quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.